Today I'm going to bake whole chicken legs by using the air fryer. I've taken turmeric, curry powder, chili powder, garam masala, black pepper, ginger, garlic, curry leaves, onion, cardamom, cloves, lemongrass, cinnamon, green chilies, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and plain yogurt, some salt, soy sauce. Put all them together into the grind jar and squeeze some lime juice into it and grind all the things together to become a smooth paste. Now you can grind in this way. Now take the whole chicken legs. I have made some cuts on it. Add the ground paste to the chicken and apply that into the chicken and put the chicken to marinate for 3 hours by covering it using a cling film. Now the chicken has already marinated. Now put butter in the air fry pan and spray some oil. I have made a sauce by adding soy sauce, lime juice and some salt. Put the chicken legs in the air fryer and apply the sauce on it. And spray some oil to the chicken legs too. You can set the time for 50 minutes and the temperature for 200 degrees of Celsius. Now bake it and apply the sauce on the chicken legs for 15 minutes. Now the chicken legs are well baked. I have prepared a vegetable rice to taste it. It's yummy. You can also try it.